This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Windows Service Pack level, administrative rights, and an active internet connection. Once done, back up your Excel files, custom templates, and add-ins to a separate folder or external drive so you can restore them if needed. Then open Control Panel and check Installed Updates briefly to see prior Office patches. Make sure to close all Office apps before continuing, because the update process requires exclusive access to program files for a clean install. Next, obtain the update path. Use Windows Update from Control Panel and select Microsoft Update so Office updates appear. This central route simplifies dependency handling. If Service Pack 3 for Office 2007 is missing, install it first because many cumulative patches require SB3. After SB3, apply critical security updates and the most recent Office 2007 cumulative update in sequence. Restart when prompted. Make sure automatic updates remain off until you confirm the system stays stable to avoid mid-update interruptions. To finish, open Excel and check help about to confirm the new build number and SB level. Once confirmed, re-enable add-ins one at a time and restore custom templates to ensure compatibility. This narrows down any extension causing issues. If the update fails or Excel behaves oddly, uninstall the most recent Office patches via Installed Updates, reboot, then reapply patches in smaller batches. One key troubleshooting tip: run Microsoft Fix-It or the Office Repair from Programs and Features to repair corrupted installations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.